wake up, wake up. It's time for virtual school. You're late for it. What? Okay. Hello?
Hurry, hurry. You're late for virtual school.
Sorry.
Hurry, hurry. Get to virtual school.
Hello, Wonder Woman. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm a deep sleeper.
Oh, Caleb, you're late. That's okay. Welcome to another day. Hello? Come on. What's going on?
Are you okay, Wonder Woman? I can't hear you.
Oh no, this is not working. My connection is freezing. Internet virtual school. Oh well, we'll just have to cancel school today and then you guys can go. Have a nice day. Bye. Enjoy your day off.
There's no school. Hooray! I'm gonna go to the park.
Blue Thunder, there's no school today.
I know. I'm so excited to go to the park.
Let's go, let's go. Oh, cool pumpkins.
Yeah, I heard Halloween was something. This is Isabel's. This is my cousin Noah's.
That one looks kind of weird.
This is mine.
Ah!
And this is
Wow, that's a beautiful masterpiece. Cool, let's go. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Let's go. Bye. Kids to kids. Here we are.
At the playground.
Let's go play on it.
Ow!
Gotcha. You were spinning and I hit your tire while you were spinning.
Where do you want to go first?
On the slides.
Of course.
Oh, no. Woo.
Here I come. Help me. I'm too big. Help me. Help me. Oh, thanks.
Okay, you go down this one, I'll go down this one. Now how about we both go down this one? I tackled you and I won the tackle.
Let's do it again.
Okay.
Do over.
Go.
Yeah. I won this time.
One more on the other slide.
Okay, I'll do this one. Ready when you are, Blue Thunder.
I'm gonna get down. Landed on your back. I zoomed. I was like, down. Woohoo! Yeah!
I think Caleb pushed you harder than he pushed me.
Are you sure?
I don't know, but I have a feeling.
He likes those. Yeah, I like those.
I don't know.
You want to? No ice cream.
No! Where should we go next?
I'm not sure.
Do you want to spin on this thing?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll spin you.
Okay.
Tell me when you're getting dizzy.
Okay.
Are you dizzy?
Now, this is so relaxed. Whoa.
I'm sure I can spin this and get them off. Let's try. Watch out. Ah! We'll
Watch
both-
out. Sorry.
Ah!
I always landed. You always don't.
I'm too heavy.
What should we do next?
I have an idea what we can do next.
What?
Let's make jumps with these wood chips.
Okay.
Let's make big ramp. I don't know if you're gonna jump off this thing or if you're gonna run into it.
Well, we'll see.
Okay. Try not to do it. Hey, see. Good job. No.
That was fun.
Let's try and build this up again.
For you. You go ice cream.
This is a lot higher now.
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh, nice air.
Woohoo! Oh.
Almost.
I'll get there.
Try it. Oh.
I just picked up dust.
You totally wrecked that. Ready? Backwards.
Yo!
Almost. Here, try ice cream. Backwards.
Backwards ice cream man.
Oh, he got some good air.
I know. He's like,
Oh.
yeah!
Got it.
Got it. I know a perfect slide. Let's get off the playground.
How are you gonna get off the playground?
By these stairs.
Okay. Good. Ouch. Ow. This is ow. Ow. We didn't make it down.
We didn't make it down. How are we gonna do this?
Try it.
Ow, oh, ow, oh.
Oh, really? Ouch.
I couldn't make it.
My back hurts.
I gotta do my thunderstorm.
You gonna try again?
Yeah.
Ouch.
Oh,
That was far.
phone.
I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna see if I can launch my guy. Ready? Watch out down there. Ah!
He always. I need to launch.
Amazing! He landed it!
My bag does not feel like flipping it off.
You should go to a chiropractor.
What's a chiropractor?
They crack your back.
They do my making.
From over there?
Yeah.
All right. That was awesome.
Ow,
Oh.
that was really painful. Look.
He did. Wow. That was very dramatic.
Yeah, he literally was like, woohoo! Ow! He literally hit his back. He was like,
Oh, I have a really cool idea. Why don't you jump off here and then I'll put it in reverse. You jump off. See how far you can jump.
yeah! This time's backwards.
Okay, last time. That was good, actually. He didn't hit anything.
I know he didn't hit anything. Like this.
Oh, man. I'm really good at flipping. You're really good at wheelies. We make a good team.
Yeah. Flipper and wheelie team.
All right, let's keep going.
Yeah. I know the perfect spot. It's when you just go down and boom, you're off.
We should put like a big pile of wood chips on the end of this that they could smash into.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me go get one. On your mark. There's the wood chip wall. Get set. Go. Oh.
He didn't even make it?
Blue Thunder made it.
How did he not?
I don't know.
He could have been like there.
Maybe he's just going faster. Let's try it again.
Yeah.
Why are you guys crying?
It's taking forever. It's been 2,050 hours.
Sorry. The wall is ready to be knocked down.
Finally. Take a breath.
Patience. Good things come to those who wait. On your mark. Get set. Go. Really?
Yeah, shocked me again.
Why does Blue Thunder keep smashing through? And he's not doing it.
He's probably slow because he's big. Look at.
Here, why don't you just do it from right here? Ready. Oh!
That's a really genius.
Sorry, my foot was in the way. But that was cool. He definitely smashed through.
Look at it.
Alright. Oh! Come back down. Oh!
It's cool because they can
Here,
do.
do this. I'm moving this over. I want them to hit that. Go. Oh!
That was you.
He couldn't get through.
Yeah, well, I can. Yeah, well, I can. Wait. Let's try that again.
Oh! No, you're gonna slide into the wood chips and get splinter. Hey, I have an idea of what we can do next.
What?
Here, follow me. Look at this rail right here. Let's just smash into it and see how many flips we can do.
Really?
It'll be fun, trust me.
I'm gonna never ever land.
You'll land. Look, you're gonna hit this, and then we're gonna go flying and get some air and then see if we land them.
Okay.
You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice air.
I can feel like it.
Whoa.
Thunder shock.
Oh!
They practically.
He went so far and did so many
He
flips.
was like spin on a wheelie land, and then he was like spin on a wheelie land.
That was fun. You gonna try it again? Oh!
Oh!
Backflip!
He was like, damn.
Backflip!
I'm gonna go like this farthest. Bring it in the water. Something does that. No!
Oh, that was a good barrel roll. Wow! I'm jealous. I'm jealous. You did a good job though.
Yeah, I can do back wheelies only on grass.
Let's see who can go off the swings the farthest.
Yeah.
What did you find, Blue Thunder?
I found a ramp.
Oh, at the bottom of the swing there are ramps.
Yeah.
Let's dig this a little steeper. Should we try?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. I feel like a dog. I'm looking for treasure. Hey!
Wait, what is that?
What did you find, Blue Thunder? I saw it first! I saw it first!
A treasure chest!
A treasure!
Now, let's see how you open this.
How do you open this? Huh. Maybe if I sit on it. It works!
That works.
Whoa! I'm rich!
Now I'm
I
rich.
can buy all the ice cream in the world.
I know we can each. I can have the golden ones and you can have the silver ones.
Okay, I think gold is worth more than silver.
No, silver's way more.
Oh. Maybe these are pennies. What currency is this, kids?
Hey, stop taking all the gold.
Oh, this is awesome. I'm never gonna do allowance for like 2 years. What are you gonna buy with the money, Blue Thunder?
Buy iPads, Pokemon cards,
Oh, yeah, that's a good
dragons,
idea.
Cars, video games.
What the heck?
What the heck in the world?
What's that guy's problem?
I'm not sure.
Should we ask him? Okay.
Cool. Treasure.
Yeah, for sure. Don't let anyone get this treasure. I'll watch the treasure.
What's wrong? Okay.
Well, I can't find my treasure. I lost it around here.
You mean this treasure?
That's it. Where did you find this treasure at? You're my best friend.
It's right here.
I knew I buried my treasure around here somewhere.
Then why did you try to dig even more?
I'm sorry, but thanks for my treasure, guy.
Hey, this is our treasure. We're the rich.
Stay back! I have a sword. Give me that treasure.
No. Hey,
Come here, my treasure. Hey, come back with my treasure. Oh, I'll never catch up to him. I know what I could do. I can ride this scooter. Come back with my treasure. Ah! Me treasure. Me treasure. I got this ice cream man. He's my prisoner unless you give me my treasure.
No! Thunder, jump.
Ah! Get them all! Ah! Hey, let's be friends. Let's split the treasure.
Okay.
We don't need to be enemies. Let's be friends. Let's split the treasure. How about that?
Okay. Probably know how to open ice, so I don't know how.
Remember, I have to sit on it with my ice cream butt. That's how you do it, Caleb.
That.
Okay.
You can
I'll
have.
take my treasure, and then you guys can have the rest. I'll take my treasure,
Hey, what? What?
and then you guys can have the rest. See you later, guys. How much treasure is left after Pirate's Kurtz took it? Let's open it up.
Okay.
2 coins!
Ah,
That pirate. I'll take the silver one. Man, so you get a coin and I get a coin.
mhm.
Wait a minute. That's... Hey! I'm no dummy. I can count. You got 3 coins.
Yeah, I can have one.
Okay. You trying to steal some extra coins on me, buddy?
15.
I have 5 plus 10, 15. Yeah, I got 15 too.
Oh, we can't buy that much things. I can only buy one thing.
I wonder what we could buy with this.
I have an idea.
Ice cream?
No.
Blue Thunder, let's go to the store and see what we can buy for 15 cents.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Walking down the street, trying to buy 15 cents.
Oh, nice flip.
Yeah.
Hey, you're still going. Come back. Ow! Thanks for pushing me.
You're welcome.
This looks like a store. It's kind of creepy though.
Yeah.
Wonder what they sell here.
Yeah. What? Baby Yoda?
Baby Yoda? What's he doing at this store?
Hi, welcome to my store.
Hi, Baby Yoda. What do you guys sell at this store?
I have a magic acorn.
Magic acorns?
Ooh, I wonder if we could be rich.
How much do they cost?
How much money do you have? 15 cents.
I have 15 cents.
Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect.
Okay, here's our money.
Here's our money.
Oh,
There's silver and egg.
come on.
Hey,
Slippery.
I need the money.
Here.
Rob it. And open up.
Where's these magic acorns? What does a magic acorn even look like? Ooh.
Instructions for the acorn.
You mean you don't just put it in the dirt?
No. First, you have to put the seeds in a fish tank of water.
What? What?
There's no dirt.
Not dirt?
Wow, and then you put a scoop of sand.
What?
Leaves.
Leaves? You have to put leaves in a fish tank with sand?
And one piece of cardboard.
What? Cardboard? Are you sure this is not a trick? Okay. Okay. All right, let's try it out. I guess we could try it. Thanks, Baby Yoda. This tank's all filled up.
Alright.
Do you have all the
Yeah?
cardboard and the sand
Mm-hmm.
and the magic acorns
We have leaves over there too.
and leaves? Okay, let's put the leaves in.
Wait, leaves first or?
Yeah, this feels kind of weird, don't you think?
Yeah, I'm in Leo.
Ah!
I'm sleeping.
Here. Okay. Here's the piece of cardboard. I have no idea why. Do you think this is gonna work, Blue Thunder?
No.
Last but not least, put some sand in.
Oh no.
What the?
We need beans.
All right, put the acorns in. The magic acorns.
Nothing's happening.
What should we do? Should we just wait around?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just wait around.
20 hours later. What are we gonna do now?
I don't know. Nothing's happened. We got tricked.
Yeah, we got tricked.
Well, at least you can go swimming.
Yeah.
Ew! Ah! Well, that was a fun adventure.
Yeah.
Oh well. Let's just go.
But first we have to.
See you later.
Bye.
Yuck!
Please subscribe and watch more videos on my channel. Kids to Kids.